Teamwork, a strong commitment to one another, has been our core belief since day one that has kept us moving in the same direction. And everything we do is possible because we believe. We rise above borders, colours, caste or creed. It's an amazing feeling to be accepted for who you are and know for a fact that there are people who care about you. We are friends. We are brothers. We are sisters. We are family. A family whose care goes beyond the material world, beyond the rewards, and is much greater than recognition. A family who has a heart of love, a heart of service, a heart for making a difference. And this is what we aim to be a part of. A legacy we can pass on and be truly proud of. Stories of inspiration. A mosaic of cultures. An array of backgrounds. Real people with the same vision, who find strength and unity in diversity. One place, one team, one home. Together, we are your QNet family.